अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स। तो कैसे हो आप सब ठीक हो ना? मैं भी ठीक हूँ और आप सब भी ठीक होंगे। और मैं दुआ करूँगा कि आप लोग यूं ही ठीक रहें और खुशहाल रहें और सेहतमंद रहें। और दोस्तों, मैं आज आप लोगों के लिए जो एक कमाल की वीडियो लेकर आया हूँ, वो है वीडियो एक बैंक के बारे में, जो कि है अमेरिकन बैंक, जिसका नाम है BNP पेरिपास। तो इस दोस्तों, आपने इस वीडियो को देखना है लास्ट तक, और वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को करना है लाइक। दोस्तों के साथ जितना हो सके इस वीडियो को आपने करना है शेयर, और इस वीडियो को और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल नोटिफिकेशन को कर दें ऑल पे, ताकि हमारी जो न्यू वीडियो हो वो सबसे पहले पहुंचे आप लोगों तक। चलिए दोस्तों, वीडियो की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। BNP Paribas SA is a French international banking group born in 2000 from the merger between Banque Nationale de Paris and Paribas, with 190,000 employees as of February 2021. The bank is organized into three major business areas: commercial, personal banking and services, investment and protection services, and corporate and institutional banking. The group is listed on the first market of Euronext Paris and a component of the Euro Stocks 50 stock market index, while it also included in the French CAC 40 index. BNP Paribas is the largest banking group in Europe and seventh largest banking group in the world. It became one of the five largest banks in the world following the 2008 financial crisis, despite some legal difficulties in 2014, including being fined the largest even ever sum as reparation for violating US sanctions. It remains one of the 10 largest banks worldwide. It is considered a systemically important bank by Financial Stability Board. The history of BNP Paribas Bank. The Banque Nationale de Paris resulted from a merger of two French banks in 1966. Banque Nationale pour le Commerce et l'Industrie and Comptoir National de Compete de Paris. The Banque de Paris, it stars or Paribas, was formed from two investment banks based respectively in Paris and Esmert in 1872. L'Espace is French for the Netherlands. In May 2000, BNP and Paribas merged from BNP Paribas, which is thus discarded from four founding banking institutions. On 7 March 1848, the French provisional government founded the Comptoir National in response to the financial shock caused by the Revolution of February 1848, the upheaval destroyed the old credit system, which was already struggling to provide sufficient capital to meet the demands of the railway boom and the resulting growth of industry. The CEP grew steadily in France and overseas, although in 1889 although the 1889 and the staff were used to create BNCI with a fresh capital of 100 million. There was a crisis in which it was temporarily placed in recession. Separately, on 18 April 1932, the French government replaced Banque Nationale de Credit, which failed as a result of the 1930s recession, with the new Banque Nationale pour le Commerce and Institute. The former bank's headquarters and staff were used to create BNCI with a fresh capital for 100 million francs. The bank entirely grew rapidly through absorbing a number of regional banks that got into financial trouble after the Second World War. It continued to grow steadily. It grew its retail business in France and its commercial business overseas in the French colonial empire. After the end of the Second World War, the French state decided to put banks and credit to work for national reconstruction. Rani Palawan, then Minister of Finance, launched a massive regulation of the banking industry. A law passed on 2 December 1945 and which went into effect on 1 January 1946 nationalized the fourth, launched a massive regulation of the banking industry. A law passed on 2 December 1945 and which went into effect on Banque pour le Commerce Institute Competiteur National de Compete de Paris Credit Lyons and Société Garnel. तो दोस्तों, आपको आज की वीडियो कैसी लगी कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे ज़रूर बताएं। वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करना और दोस्तों के साथ शेयर भी कर देना। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करते जाना और बेल नोटिफिकेशन को ऑल पे कर देना ताकि मेरी जो भी न्यू वीडियो हो वो सबसे पहले पहुंचे आप लोगों तक। अल्लाह हाफिज़।